What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button because we're about to do bits. So we already do bits, as you can tell from that monstrosity. So we're back with a new project. It's a 530D. You know what I know. I picked the car up. Well, they offered me the car. It was at a price I couldn't say no to. Paid £1,000 for that car, 127,000 miles. MOT has expired, but the last MOT was not too bad. So, I know it needs a lower arm. I know the eye control isn't working, but we're gonna upgrade that anyway. So, let's get the wrap off the roof and let's have a little look at what we bought. I don't know why I bought this car, but I did. So let's have a look. If you haven't already seen the videos on the S5, go catch some of them. But we're not about that. So as you can see, we are prepared. We have got the code scanner. You have got some dirty scratches. This car abused. I don't know what happened. All I know is she was mad. She was definitely mad. You've got front bumper damage, light haze. It's an M Sport, so we've got the nice bumpers. We've got some MV2s, I think they're called, still on this. Scratches go all the way along the side. Get this wrap off. Scratches, there's a huge dent here. This side, mush up. Paintwork is sweet as a nut. You've got this, which is all bubbled. So, yeah, not looking too tasty, to be honest, but it's a 530D, and I reckon we could get this to be as quick as this. So I don't know what we're gonna do with it. A lot of people are telling me just fix it up, sell it on. It's probably worth about 4 grand all day long. So let me know what you guys think. Do we restore it, fix the eye control, fix headlights, paintwork, everything, get it to be a nice daily, or do we make it take on the S5? Do we do that? Look inside. As I say, it's locked. Right, let me get the keys. First problem, can't get in the car. Battery was dead. Right, so let's have a look in the car. So we got the black leather. Let me flip this. It's better. Quality's not as good. Black leather interior, M Sport steering wheel. It's an automatic. Daily, running the kids to school. Extra door, space. We will have a look at the paperwork in one of the next episodes. When we start this project. Got quite a lot of paperwork. I did see a new turbo in there, which is always a plus. I know the eye controls there. It runs and drives. Drives alright. Doubt it's got enough juice that wants to. But so we got 126,000. Eye control is dead. I hate this trim. Do not like that. So that's gotta get wrapped. Black headlining, which I thought was nice. So there it is. Do we modify it? Do we restore it? What do we do? You guys let me know. So this video will go live and then we'll start fixing it up, obviously. Ready for an MOT, so we'll do the headlights and bits like that. That lower arm, the eye control. So we'll do the restoration part. Maybe we'll have a look at giving it a wash and a polish and see how good it looks when it's brought up to spec. So maybe that's what we could do. Basically get it to a saleable level. So over the next couple of episodes, sort all the problems out. So now it's a nice version, and that will give us enough time to vote whether we wrap it, send it out of space, down pipes, hybrids, I don't know. we can do anything. It's YouTube, so it's just costs money, doesn't it? So don't tell my missus. So yeah, guys, sweet, short, but to the point. The E60. Do we keep it standard? Do we modify it? As always, whack the subscribe button, leave a like, drop a comment, and I look like I need to go and sleep. Brake dust on my face. Peace out. I'll see you next time.